In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Hammer Compensator in Once Human. So this is actually the best, and I don't think if it's the only, but it's one of the Hammer Compensator locations in the game. If I open up the map over here, as you can see, I'm over here in the Red Sands area, which is an area for levels 48. Now, you have to get up here, which is just above this HP Evolution Institute over here, next to this little oil mining area. And as you can see the coordinates down at the bottom right of my screen, you have to come to this place, and then when you're over here, you have to, the easiest way is to have a sniper rifle, and you have to look for this balloon looking thing, okay? And then once you find it, just look across the sky, it's not that hard to find. You want to shoot it down, so first, shoot the first one, then you go to the second spot, you want to shoot the second one, then the third one, shoot the third one. Sometimes it doesn't hit, so try multiple times. There we go, and it'll show you a kind of supply crate location, okay? What you want to do is then run to that supply crate location. As you can see, it spawned right in front of me, and it took less than 5 shots to get, actually. You then have to run to that spot, and then once you get to it, you want to open it, and as you can see, there's the Hammer Compensator in there. So you simply press F to claim all, and that's it. You've successfully obtained a Hammer Compensator in Once Human. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.